Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. We are gonna look at Drop Dead by Olivia Rodrigo today. Alright, the first single of her third new hit album. First, we're gonna look at the chords we need for the song. It's just 3 chords, 3 simple chords. We'll look at them individually, and then I'll show you the order they go in so we can rock it out for the whole song. Let's get going. The first chord we need is A flat major. It's the key of the song, A flat, C, E flat. So it's black key, white key, black key. We'll start on that chord, we'll end on that chord. We use it the most. The second of the 3 chords we need is D flat major. We'll do D flat, F, A flat. Yeah, again, it's a black key, white key, black key, D flat, F natural, A flat. And then the third and final chord we need is E flat. We'll take everything that we were just doing up a whole step. Now we got E flat, G, B flat. Once again, black key, white key, black key, E flat, G, B flat. And those are our 3 chords for the whole song. Wow! Here's the order they go in. So, I might start with the A flat chord in my right hand, and then when I want some more texture, add a root, meaning the name of the chord, A flat, in my left hand. Then we go to D flat, then to E flat. 4 beats of A flat, 2 beats of D flat, 2 beats of E flat, over and over. Add some rhythm. The texture will change in different sections of the song, right? So the verses might be a little more simple. Then we can add some more rockin' in the chorus. All the sections of the song are that same pattern, I promise. Let's try it out for a little bit. So let's do like a verse, a chorus, the bridge, see how it all goes. Try a big section. So, chord in the right hand, roots in the left. Oh, 1, 2, 3, go. A flat, board it in bed, and D flat, E flat. It's feminine, A flat, 'cause I always had a vision of us. You build it, get heavier. Walls of Versailles, last time for the chorus. With the bridge, same pattern. Pisces and a Gemini. Bridge is left hand heavy if you want. And it'll build and a Gemini. Yeah. So a fun, easy song. Get those 3 chords down. Keep practicing with me. Practice makes better. See you on the next video. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comment. I love talking to you. Play on.